local disaster.
UDP President Metbat Lyngdoh on Friday said the party is still studying various aspects of Uniform Civil Code and hence it has not taken any stand on the matter. According to the UDP President, there is a need to understand the matter first before commenting on the matter, as the Uniform Civil Code will be of civil laws and not criminal laws. Recently, the KHADC has adopted a resolution against the UCC and the opposition UDP in the council also supported the move. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma have also opposed the UCC by saying that it is against the idea of India, which is unity in diversity.
It will be fair and appropriate for me to do so. I leave it to the party to decide on that. I have nothing to say on that. One should understand that the UCC will be of the civil laws, not the criminal laws. The criminal laws is completely different, which is already there in place. They talk about what CRPC and all this, but the civil laws, that is what they're talking about as far as the UCC is concerned.
The state government will